Before we understand the term carbon border adjustment mechanism, which has recently been released by European Union, there is another term that we need to understand, which is carbon leakage. What is carbon leakage? Companies in European Union are actually moving their carbon intensive technology to the countries where the climate policies are not that stringent. So ultimately what would happen? They will get the product from a country where the carbon rules are not stringent and where pollution is okay, in simple terms, right? So from those country, if a product is imported in European Union, this is called as carbon leakage. Now to curb this, European Union brought about an idea of carbon border adjustment mechanism. Now under this, there is a fair price on the carbon emitted due to the production process which requires carbon intensive method. So be it the product produced in India, Germany, Australia or Sri Lanka, if that product is going to any of the countries in European Union, I already mentioned one of the one or two countries of European Union, but the idea is from the global world, if anything goes to European Union and is being produced by carbon intensive processes which has a carbon intensive production system, which is not a green technology in simple terms, then there would be a carbon border adjustment tax which would be levied, and this would actually be beneficial in two ways. It would promote greener technologies to come in even in the countries from where import is done. Also, it would be beneficial for European Union because they would have native increase in the production rather than depending more on imports. If that gets costly, it's better to have the production within the countries, and that's opposite model of what we talked about globalization picture that happened in the previous decades. Now, this application is mainly as of now related to 6 major industries: cement, iron, steel, aluminium, fertilizer, electricity and hydrogen production. So in 2023, this idea was brought and the first reporting period for the importers was ending in January 2024. It is believed that from 1st January 2026, this rule would come into effect, initially applicable for these sectors, but later on this would be further expanded to other sectors. The idea, the sole idea, I repeat again, is promoting greener technology even if the production is within the territory of European Union or outside the territory of European Union. By either ways, the idea is focusing more on renewable sources and greener technology. Thank you.